Yo, what's up? I'm Digger Llama, the blingiest, most fabulous llama you'll ever meet. Did I mention I'm rich? Let me tell you about my typical day. It starts with a breakfast of gold-plated oats, for digestion. But before we dive into my day, let me show you where I keep my pocket change. Then I hit the town, my gold chain jingling like a one llama band. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Of course, I always keep track of my fortune with my solid gold smartphone. It's got an app that counts my money in real time. I once bought a diamond-encrusted hammock, because, regular hammocks are for peasants. It's not exactly comfy, but it sure is shiny. And don't get me started on my gold coffee mug. It keeps my $1,000 cappuccinos lukewarm for hours. Oh, and my private jet? It's shaped like a llama. Because why fly first class when you can fly llama class? I even hired a personal chef to create gold leaf salads. Roughage has never been so shiny. My bathroom, all gold everything. Even the toilet paper is gold-plated. It's not comfortable, but it's fancy. I once tried to buy the Eiffel Tower and turn it into a giant gold coat rack. Turns out it's not for sale. Who knew? So there I was, chillin' in my golden chalet when my old buddy Paulie the Goat trotted in.
Goldie, my man, when's the last time you thought about your future?
Future? Psh, I'm living the dream, Paulie. Who needs a future when you've got a solid gold present?
Living that dream is fine until the gold runs out. Ever heard of ETFs?
ETFs? Sounds like a fancy snack. Is it gluten-free?
No, you financial fool. Exchange-traded funds, they spread your money across many companies, reducing risk and growing wealth over time.
Come again? In llama terms, please.
It's like planting seeds for a golden forest. You water it with patience and it grows into a money tree.
A money tree? Now you're speaking my language.
Look at this chart. This ETF tracks the MSCI World Index, tech, healthcare, energy. Add an MSCI Emerging Markets ETF for SPICE.
Spice? Is that like cinnamon on my $1,000 cappuccino?
No, you caffeinated camelid. It's about diversifying your investments, low fees, passive growth. All you need is patience.
Patience? I once waited a whole 30 seconds for my gold-plated popcorn maker to warm up. Does that count?
Not quite, Goldie. I'm talking about years of steady growth. It's like watching grass grow, but the grass is money.
Years? But what if I need to buy a solid gold lawnmower next week?
That's the point, Goldie. You don't need a solid gold lawnmower. You need financial security. It's about having enough money to live comfortably for years to come, without worrying about running out.
Huh. I never thought about it that way. I always figured I'd just buy more gold if I ran out.
That's not how it works, my friend. You need to make your money work for you.
Make my money work for me, like give it a little hard hat and send it off to the money mines?
No, Goldie, it's about investing wisely. Letting your money grow over time through smart choices.
So, I can still enjoy life and grow my gold without having to, think too hard?
Exactly. Wealth isn't about how much you splash, it's how much you grow.
Grow, huh? Like my collection of gold-plated cacti.
No, Goldie. Real growth in value, not in shiny, pointless objects.
Huh. For the first time in my life, I feel inspired to do math. All right, I'll start investing. Right after I return this diamond hammock. Think they'll take it back if I've already shed on it?
That's the spirit, Goldie. You're on your way to financial wisdom.
Financial wisdom, huh? Does it come with a gold-plated certificate?
No, but it comes with something better, a secure future.
And that, my friends, is how I, Digger Llama, began my journey from splurging spitter to savvy saver. Who knew being responsible could be so golden? It's like finding a whole new kind of treasure.